For our digital twin physical AI demo, we are following a drone flying over London. We are continuously collecting and analyzing accelerometer and vibration data from the drone in real time. An anomaly has been detected by our algorithms. The confidence level is quite high, we can therefore trust the detection. Our AI reduces the drone's speed and launches its flight simulation process. To be safer, the pilot also sends the command to keep the drone's altitude to 45 meters. Our AI ran 227 scenarios and eliminated the ones with too much safety risk. Along with a heat map of possible landing zones, the best flight path proposed is displayed on screen, asking the pilot for confirmation. After the pilot gives its green light, the safe landing procedure starts. We are back to the real world now. The drone follows our AI-generated guidance, but the pilot can remotely take back control at any moment if there are issues requiring human decisions.